Pioneers. Today we're going to be making sausage rolls. Okay, so to make the sausage rolls, you're going to get just 1 pound of pork sausage. And I'm just going to break the sausage up. We're going to add 1/4 cup of plain or seasoned breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs are going to act as an absorbent to the fat that's in the pork. So if you skip and you don't add the breadcrumbs, you're going to have some greasy sausage rolls. So I would, even if you have to put slices of bread in a chopper, get some breadcrumbs in the sausage. Okay, we're going to add some, I'm going to do dehydrated onions, but I would use 1/2 cup of fresh onions. We're going to sprinkle some garlic powder. Going to sprinkle some pink salt. Just a little. We're going to sprinkle some oregano. I'm going to mix all of this up. And this is quite cold, so as it starts to warm up, it's going to loosen up a little bit. And then you're going to take a brick of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces. And I've had it room temperature for a while. And then you're going to mix your cream cheese in with your sausage. Okay, so you can use 2 different types of dough. You can use the puff pastry, which Pepperidge Farm, I believe, is the only people that make that. Frozen section carries the puff pastry, but you're going to want to thaw it. And I believe it has 4 sheets in it, so this recipe requires 6 sheets. So you would probably need to buy 2 boxes of those. I'm going to use the refrigerated version of puff pastry or crescent roll dough, and but you could certainly try it with the puff pastry, or you can make homemade puff pastry if time allows. It takes a very long time to make puff pastry, so I'm not going to do that. Alright. And you don't want to do the perforated. You want to push them together so that perforated edge disappears. You don't really want that. You could do the crescent rolls, but we're going to do sausage rolls for these. And these are I'm using the Pillsbury Grand version, so these are going to be quite large. Okay, we'll save this one and then we'll just go ahead and start filling these. So you're going to take your filling and just get it in there. And I kind of push it to the edge like that. And then just roll it up. Just like that, just like a hot dog. These are great for an appetizer. You could slice them in half and serve them with a dip, cheese dip or something like that. Even a pimento cheese would be good. Okay, so I'm going to take some kitchen scissors and I'm going to clip the tops of these so that they can get the sausage, the heat can penetrate a little faster. I'm just clipping them. Makes it a little decorative, but it allows the heat to penetrate that bread and get into the meat. Oops, that one. I'm just holding my scissors at an angle. Okay. We're going to put this in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check it at 15 minutes and see where you're at. And the most important part about cooking sausages, you never want to serve it raw. It will make somebody very, very ill. So use a temperature gauge or something like that to test the temperature inside before you serve them. And I'll put, I can't remember offhand, but I'll put the temperature of what pork is supposed to be when it's done in the description box of what temperature you need to have it on. But I'm going to check these at 15 minutes, but I think they're going to go more along the lines of 20. I have a convection oven, so we're going to find out. Okay.
Hang on. Let me get over here.
Okay, we're going to check the internal temperature to make sure that they're safe to eat. Safe is 145 to 160. Okay, we're already there. And then they're supposed to have a 3-minute rest. This is 147, 157, 163. I think we're good on that one too. Okay. Here is the sausage rolls.